Hello, Doug Roloff here, Attack Artist. Want to do a little review on the Ott-Lite. It's black, sleek, has about a 6-foot cord. I usually use my light source during the day. As you can see, it has a pretty good light source just from this window light. But with the light on, you can see now there is ample amount of light, natural light, from the Ott-Lite. It's movable, has 2 elbows, and the top part of the light turns too. Now these are replacement bulbs that can be replaced. I think they go for about $10, but this has lasted me for 3 years now. Here's my other Ott-Lite that I use for my desk. Again, it has 2 movable, bendable parts to move it anywhere you want. But I just use this for my desk. You don't need an Ott-Lite just to be an artist. I mean, this is good to have when you're working on computers. It's not good to work in the dark. As you can see, my messy desk.